Today what we're showing is all physical AI applications. And what's powerful about that is these are real things that real people can deploy in real factories. These aren't just buzzwords or concepts. These are real things. A lot of this is based on what's called an AI trainer, and that's what you see behind me here. It's two robots where an operator teleoperates two other robots, and they do a task, whether it's an assembly task or whatever it is, and we're showing an assembly task here. And so as the operator trains and does the task with the robots, there's a software here from Scale AI that's collecting hundreds of data points from the robot per second, thousands of data points from the robot per second, and it's putting that all into a database to build an AI model. That's really exciting because as you build that training data, then you can build a model to actually have the robots do the tasks themselves. And that's what you can see over in the generalist booth over here, is you can actually see with the generalist folks, they're actually taking a model that was built on imitation learning like you saw, and is actually doing an assembly task all via cameras and the grippers. There's no one driving, you see now, and that's because there have been hours, hundreds of hours of an operator teleoperating these tasks, and the model's been trained to have the arms do this. So while it kind of looks like, okay, yeah, think about how much goes into trying to put a box together like this. Really, really incredible to be able to actually push that together. And if it makes a mistake, it keeps trying and it keeps trying to figure it out, and then it's going to actually finish out the application. So deeper here into the UR booth, we can actually see a demonstration from Cambrian. And Cambrian's doing something in the electronics assembly. Everyone's talking about AI, server farms, these kinds of things. And so there's a huge need to be able to assemble these server racks. So Cambrian's using dual arms to actually do the assembly of the server racks. And it's interesting, you see two arms here, right? And so what makes that really fascinating is everyone's talking about humanoids. And humanoids are solving the problems like labor challenges and assembly tasks and high flexibility, but we can actually solve those problems with two collaborative robot arms working together with an AI model. And whether you want to apply a humanoid in the future or you want to apply a humanoid today, you can start with a AI trainer like I showed you, and then go to a dual arm assembly application like this now, and then someday apply humanoids and all the learning that you built into your model today.